Hi Simran, Parul and Srishti. I'm Priyanka and I'm glad to have you on this episode of Ketchup Talks on Social Ketchup. And all of you look lovely. Let me just begin by saying
Thank
that.
you. Thank
And
Thank you.
you.
just how are you feeling right now? 19th को आ रहा है show. तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको? What are you feeling? Tell me.
I'm so damn excited and I cannot wait for people to watch it because this time it's very exciting और काफी सारी चीजें बहुत ही मजेदार हैं इस बार. So yeah, I'm very excited and even I can't wait to watch it. हमने भी नहीं देखा है.
Oh
So
wow,
yeah,
that's
हमने अब
interesting.
तक नहीं देखा. Yeah. So yeah, मैंने भी नहीं देखा तो.
Okay. What about you, Srishti?
Well, I have been excited to shoot this series only in the first place because ये जब लिख के आया था, we wanted to shoot it and it delay हो गया, फिर lockdown हो गया, and then we were not working and suddenly we got something and we were very excited to work and very grateful that we got something to do, which was so beautiful. तो बहुत मेहनत की हमने और बहुत मन से बनाया ये शो. तो मुझे तो बस इसी बात की खुशी है. I'm just hoping that it comes out and people like it. बस मेरा भी वही है. So I'm nervous
Yeah.
and excited both, but more nervous. So let's see, because we put in our hearts and souls and bodies and everything into this one. Yeah.
That's great. Parul, can you tell me what?
I've also put my hair in it, but the green. She said I put my body soul. मैंने तो अपने बाल भी डाल दिए. My blue
For
green
fun.
hair. Yeah. So no, I was very excited to be a part of this show because season 1 did so well, and then just knowing because ये वो बन गया था season 2 कब आ रहा है, season 2 कब आ रहा है,
हाँ.
season 2 कब
Yeah.
आ रहा है. So now finally of season 2 जो हम shoot कर रहे थे, we were so excited and we wanted to post about it always. And other than that, just working with them again is just it was just very exciting. I'm not lying. We just say कि बड़ा मजा आया shoot करने में. Genuinely आया था.
It is a lot. I mean, it talks about a lot of important things also. So can you all tell me some of the, without telling a lot, but कुछ ऐसे topics जो touch किए हैं ये season में that you're personally relate to or stand for. Can you tell me a little bit about that,
Um,
Arun?
First one is only when Richa says कि हमारी population इतनी बढ़ती जा रही है जैसे यूपी की population को गोवा में डाल दिया हो. So वो वही हुआ है actually कि population इतनी बढ़ गई है और हमें एक छोटे hostel में जहाँ पे हमें एक तो पानी नहीं है, पानी की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है जो कि आपने ट्रेलर में देखा है. फिर ऊपर से ये हो रहा है कि जगह कम हो गई है, फिर हॉस्टल में कोई लड़के घुस आए हैं. सो ये जो 2-3 टॉपिक्स हैं जिन पे पूरी स्टोरी रिवॉल्व कर रही है, उसके अगेंस्ट कैसे हम डिसाइड करते हैं किसी एक को तो खड़ा होना पड़ेगा.
Correct.
और अब यहाँ से आप देख रहे हैं स्टूडेंट इलेक्शन हो रहा है जो भी ट्रेलर में भी दिख रहा है कि अब जो जाहिरा है वो राम्या के अगेंस्ट खड़ी हुई है क्योंकि राम्या ऑलरेडी थी, बिना किसी के अगेंस्ट लड़ी वो कॉलेज की प्रेसिडेंट थी, लेकिन अभी उसके खिलाफ पहली बार कोई खड़ा हो रहा है. सो आप वो देखते हैं फिर वहां से कैसे हम अपनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उनको एड्रेस करते हुए कैसे आगे जाएंगे, ये इस बार की स्टोरी है हमारी.
Would you guys like to add something to that?
I mean, she's covered everything, but for me, the
Yeah,
thing that
yeah.
was very important was being able to take a stand, which we've shown in this season, where these girls are going through something and they decide to do something to make things better, which we generally don't do in life because we sit and talk in our rooms, but we never go out and bloody say कि ये गलत है या ये सही है. So this is one thing which is very well highlighted, even for my character, her journey of how she decides to do what she does. So yeah, taking a stand was very important for me in this season.
Okay. Okay. And like you said, a lot of the times we just discuss about it in our groups, and no one ever actually goes out and does things. How important do you think it is to bring up such topics on screen, and to have such representation where women are actually going out and fighting
It's
for?
very important, yeah. It's so bloody important because we right now we're in a time where we are exposed to the news or things on our phone people post stuff and something is wrong, so we know things. But
Mm.
people who are from before, like my mother or my grandmother, they have come from a certain school of thought where, you know, women are safe only with a man, or you should not go there because it's not safe. So I feel like अगर ये हम ज्यादा दिखाएं, ज्यादा ये लोग देखें, तो
Hmm.
उससे बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा. तो उसके लिए अगर जितना ज्यादा ये कंटेंट बने उतना ही अच्छा है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
I totally agree.
Yeah.
You know what you're saying, Srishti. Okay, so this was shot like you said, you know, lockdown के बाद. तो ये new normal में shoot करना कैसा था? ज़्यादा problematic था या easy था? Because it was such a big cast also, ना? As in scenes में काफी
Yeah.
लोग हैं. So how was it for you guys? Can you tell me? Anyone?
it, it was not like for me it was not problematic. मतलब डर लग रहा था of course, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं था कि you know बहुत बड़ा इशू है. Sorry, है बड़ा इशू है, but हाँ मतलब it was a little difficult क्योंकि पहले हम ना सैनिटाइजर को यूज करता था, and you know हम सब अपने कामों में लगे होते थे, and whenever you are working ना at that time you will not think कि मतलब तुम सैनिटाइजर यूज करो, मास्क यूज करो. अब तो ऐसा हो गया ना कि किसी को छू लिया, मैं ऐसा करती हूँ एक्चुअली कि अगर मैंने किसी को भी छू लिया, आई सैनिटाइज माई हैंड्स फर्स्ट, और अगर मैं किसी को मिल भी रही हूँ तो मैं मास्क के बिना मैं बैठती नहीं हूँ.
जी.
सो हाँ मतलब थोड़ी देर बाद मास्क उतर जाता है, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग, बट ये एक चीज है जो अभी भी है. एंड या शूटिंग इन दिस न्यू नॉर्मल इट वाज अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट, बट बहुत मतलब बहुत मुश्किल भी नहीं था. हाँ हमें संभालना पड़ रहा था कि हमें मास्क पहनना है, प्रिकॉशन ले रहे हैं, हम सब प्रिकॉशंस ले रहे थे. एंड इवन देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑन सेट हु वर टेकिंग केयर कि मतलब यू नो मास्क पहने रखो, सैनिटाइजर यूज करो. इवन हमारे जितने भी स्पॉट दादा भी थे वो लोग हम लोगों ने उनको बोल के भी रखा था कि यार 2-2 3-3 शॉट के बाद ना आप आया करो, हमको सैनिटाइजर दिया करो एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो और मास्क भी अपने पास रखा करो कि अगर हम इन केस भूल जाए तो तुम मतलब हमको दे देना
दे देना.
ऐसे. सो या
Can you tell me one thing about your characters that you love the most in this season? Parul, would you like to begin?
Zahra's ability to take a stand and just without having second thoughts, this is wrong and I'm going to do something about it. So she just doesn't think, and she, in the first episode itself, it starts with, okay, this is wrong and मैं कुछ करूंगी क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ बैठ के सुनती नहीं रहूंगी, किसी एक को तो खड़े होना पड़ेगा और इसके अगेंस्ट कुछ करना पड़ेगा, which I do, but I do it in my own sweet time. It's not the first thought, which
Right.
I thought was amazing for Zahira. Like जैसे सृष्टि ने बोला, वो उसकी first thought है अगर कुछ गलत है उसके against खड़े होना है. मेरे लिए real life में मैं पहले अपनी evaluate करती हूँ, is it okay, is it not, you know, you think
Yeah.
about it. So that one quality, and then other quality is just I think other rest is everything like mine.
Okay. Srishti, what about your character?
There are too many qualities actually, I feel, but the most amazing that works for me the most is that she's very comfortable in the way she is. Not physically, even mentally, wo jahan hai wo theek hai. And what people think of Jo as a badass, as a whatever, she is vulnerable, which is explored very beautifully in this season. So I love that characteristic of Jo, that she is vulnerable, that she has a place inside where she's like, oh my God, what just happened? You know, her reaction is different. So vulnerable and comfortable, these two things.
Cool.
I think I really like the innocence and honesty that Millie has. और वो actually what I feel is, and कि मतलब in the series also, I think Millie is the only one who's clear कि मतलब क्या हो रहा है, मुझे क्या करना है और कैसे चीजों को हैंडल करनी है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मतलब या कि मतलब she knows what she is doing, she knows what she wants. उसको पता है, she is very much clear, वो sorted है अपनी जिंदगी में कि उसको क्या करना है, इसके बाद क्या करना है, डेंटल के बाद क्या करना है, रिचा है तो रिचा के साथ क्या करना है. So she knows everything वैसे. So yeah, these are the things that I like about Millie.
Cool. And in this entire shoot, if you all had to pick one moment each that was your absolute favorite, matlab don't be specific about the scene or what's happening, but like one moment throughout the series, if you can pick favorite.
I think Parul and I have the same moment.
Yes.
Tell us.
Yeah.
बताओ कोई तो बता दो.
It's Joe and
Parul bata,
Zahira
Parul.
moment, which if we say it, it's just because the whole show is Joe और Zahira क्यों अलग हुए.
हाँ.
But there's one scene of Joe and Zahira
Okay.
in the end, and all I'll say so that people want to watch
जानने
it.
के
But
लिए
we,
देखिए.
हाँ, जानने के लिए देखिए जरूर. 5
Okay.
episode only. No, so but that one scene with Srishti was, it's very rare you feel that, you know, as
Yeah.
actors when you create something, it's very rare you feel that, and it's just so beautiful. I can't tell you, like it's just like
Yeah.
I felt goosebumps that.
Yeah, everything about that, when we shot that, everything about it, the place where we were, how we were prepping for it, how we were together discussing it, and then when we just shot it, it was like, what? So
Yeah.
yeah, it was really beautiful.
I hope वो screen पे वैसा लगे कि जो
हाँ
हमने
यार,
feel
सही
किया
में.
था ना वो.
No, so नहीं, so there is one मतलब एक scene है मेरा और पारुल का, हम दोनों का, where I'm saying that, you know, ट्रेलर में ही है, तो मैं ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बता रही हूँ. ट्रेलर में ही है जब मैं बोलती हूँ कि sometimes it's not about winning, it's about fighting. वो सिर्फ उतना ही आपने देखा है, पर वो सीन बहुत ही अच्छा सीन है. That's what I feel. I really like that scene.
और
जिस तरह से
सिमरन
मिली,
इतनी सुंदर लग रही है उसके अंदर. सिमरन, she's looking very pretty. She's done it so well, that scene. Yeah, it's her
Yeah.
scene.
That's okay.
Yeah, so yeah, I really like it. Now, I'm not saying because it is my scene, but I'm saying because I liked it.
No, that entire scene is just, it comes
हाँ,
to you
मतलब.
eventually. So that scene, she takes the cake basically in that scene.
You could go back and give one advice to your younger self who's back in college, you know, who could probably be facing all these things. What would you tell them?
I've thought about this so many times in my life that if I can ever go back and meet myself,
Yeah.
I think of so many things. But मैंने time travel movies बहुत सारी देखी हैं. उसमें you know, anything you do causes what has happened.
Yeah, true.
So you know, हमेशा ऐसे होता है कि that the you know that story, right? Sorry, I'm going a little off topic, but you know that story, na?
All right.
Girlfriend and boyfriend. His girlfriend has died in an accident.
Hmm.
He gets to go back in time and save her. And in that 1 hour, he's driving really fast, but eventually it was him who killed
Who
her.
killed her? Yeah.
In that, so.
Yeah.
If you ever get time to go back in time, so I'm saying I've seen too many time travel movies, so it has fucked with my head. So I think I would do nothing. I would just go and see myself and come back, because anything I'll do will lead to what has actually happened and I cannot change.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. What a nice answer. So nicely put.
It is. Are we sticking to that for everyone?
I think so. I mean,
Yeah.
I think my younger self was so much fun. I will never change anything about her. She was a bloody rock star. And so मैं तो उसको क्या ही बोलूं, मैं काश मैं उसको बोलती कि बुढ़ापे में आके बताओ मुझे कि कैसे rock star रहना है.
That's true.
So yeah, so my younger self was so cool, man. I can't tell you. What a girl.
That's great. Okay, so one message for the viewers to watch the show that is coming out on
19th of
19th
July.
It's coming
July,
out on 19th
July,
of
so
Feb.
19 July में देखना, हम 19 February को देखते हैं.
February.
19
Okay,
July.
we go once more. The show coming out on
नहीं.
19th July.
19th of Feb. No.
I'm not going to
February.
say anything. Okay, one message.
19 January.
चलना चाहिए.
Okay, Srishti, one message for the viewers.
Please watch the show, and we made it with lots of hard work and love and खून पसीना and COVID. तो please हमारा नाटक, हमारा show देखिए और बस और कुछ नहीं, खुश रहो, खाना खाओ, दारू पियो, enjoy करो. Thank you.
Parul?
I'm just enamored by कि कैसे promotions change हो गए हैं और हम यहाँ आ गए हैं promotions करने, जहाँ पे हम अलग बैठ के एक दूसरी screen से लोगों को बता रहे हैं हमारा show देखो. But please आप show देखिए हमारा, इसलिए क्योंकि बड़ा मजेदार है. ऊपर से 5 episodes हैं सिर्फ, कुछ 25-25 मिनट के, जल्दी देखेंगे आप, पर आराम से देखना, फिर कहोगे season 3 कब आएगा. But it is so good that you would want to watch season 3.
Nicely done.
Girls Hostel 2.0 is finally here, and it will be releasing on 19th of Feb on Sony Live. So please जाके देखिए. And we are very sorry हमने show late बनाया है, पर अब finally बन गया है और आप लोगों को बहुत मजा आएगा. So please watch it.
Okay. That's great. Thank you so much, guys. And I also can't wait to
Thank
watch it.
you.
Love
Thank you,
you.
Priyanka.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, guys.
Thank you so
Bye-bye.
much.
Thank you.